A special moment of teachers. They're all taking February 4, 2024. This is one of the unforgettable moment of those teachers around here. Look, it's not yet done because not yet full the venue. It's between summer and lady. So expecting to be full this venue. Those parents around those inductees, they are so uh, proud and excited to witness their beloved daughters and sons to witness their special moment to be a teachers to serve the community. Yeah, hope lucky this year to be part those already serves in the fold to be selected if filed a ranking, because you know, imagine how many passers to be file ranking, and it's so lucky to be one of those selected one rather. Unforgettable moment, one of the moment of these teachers here. They are already teachers. So are you happy? Are you happy, guys, to witness this special events of teachers, of those people around here already? Imagine how they prepared their looks, their outfit. They really put effort for it because it's once of their lifetime. So pinabongga na. They put a lot of effort to make it memorable, the moment, to make their event special. And yes, me, one of those guys. I'm so overwhelmed that I one of those to be here. The journey is overloaded. Never expecting, but God's will. Uh, those who believe with Him, yeah, the miracles happen already. He's so good to us. Those who really believe His will. I'm so overwhelmed. We are so, excited to their daughters and sons, those parents, guardians, getting more the inductees parents getting more occupied the space. Imagine summer and lady. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Papa G, Lord, for this wonderful event. Huh? Di ko nira di mak na ako ita. My parents and sisters. I did not saw them. Malabo na siguro yung mata natin, guys. I'm searching there if where they are, but I did not saw them. Look the outfit. So bongga, guys. Wow, so prepared. She's so prepared. And yeah, another struggle for the ranking to be one of those enfield already. This is one of the journey of being a teacher to be unlocked, and then another journey to be part of those enfield already. Whew. Another journey. Let's see. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'm so happy until to the moon, the happiness of being with here.
Maopay luwat ko na dito ibo kasi ano na paglagawa ng manan.